Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can lock text box in Microsoft Word. So I will show you the perfect process. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. I'm on my Microsoft Word. So this is my page and I have some content. So if I insert a text box here, I need to go to the insert and go to the text box. So I just insert the simple text box here. Okay, and I can move it anywhere like this. Okay, so if you want to move this text box, you need to just click keep your cursor on it and make sure this icon is visible to you, then just click and hold it. Now you can drag anywhere. Okay, so now if you want to lock this text box, you can simply lock. Okay, so in this text box we have the border. You can also hide that border. Okay, you need to just select that text box, and that shape outline you need to select no outline. You can see that outline has been gone and text box look like normal paragraphs. Okay, so let me give the outline again. Okay, the black outline. Okay, so now if you want to lock this position, text box position, you simply select that text box, right click on it, and here in wrap text go to the down and select that fixed position on the page. Now it won't be moved. Okay, you can move it, but when you fix it when you type anything it will won't be moved. Okay, so we have already fixed position. Okay, you can check here, we have fixed position on page, so when you typing around it won't be moved. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.